Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake very easily. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened. Also, have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of milk on hand. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and prepare a 9-inch round cake pan by greasing and flouring it thoroughly. Now let's mix our batter for a perfectly easy cake. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and baking powder. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the milk, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. With your batter ready, it's time to bake your delicious cake. Carefully pour the mixed batter evenly into your prepared 9-inch round cake pan. Place the pan into your preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack. After baking, the final step is cooling and enjoying your easy cake. Transfer the cake from the pan to a wire rack to cool completely. This crucial step prevents your frosting from melting and ensures a firm, stable texture. Once fully cooled, you can frost it with your favorite icing, or simply dust it with a little powdered sugar for a classic touch. Now, slice and serve your wonderful homemade cake, made effortlessly with this simple method. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.